Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with my Christmas catch-up series, Layout a Day for day number 6. And today I am going to be doing a one-page layout. And I have my photos here. I'm starting off with the Scrapbook Generation sketch, and it's by Allison Davis. And so this one calls for 4 photos, so I have pulled my photos here. When I pulled my papers and such together, I did put down what my title would be and the year, the month and year of the photos. So these are from December of 2015, so I'm still working through those. I had originally pulled out a stack of papers to use with this layout, but instead of that, my scrap pile is getting pretty hefty already, and this is number 6 in. So I set those full sheets of paper aside, and all but one, and then pulled in some scraps. So here is the one paper from the original papers that I had pulled in for this page, and all of these are scraps that I pulled out from the last couple of pages that I've done. So I'm going to cut these up and use them, and I might pull in some additional ones. I don't know yet. We'll see once I get rolling with that. I might have some border stickers that I can pull in. I don't know. We'll see as I get going. But I did pull in some additional things. I pulled in this washi tape in case I wanted to put it on a scrap of paper and use that. It is a very bold green and red and white stripe, and I thought it would be fun. It may not be 100% great with these layouts, but it's pretty opaque in that you can't see through it very well. So if I put a beige or cream color paper behind it, it might tone it down a little bit, but I'm thinking probably not. So we'll see if I use this or not. But it's on my list of things to use. I pulled in a set of washi strips. I have 3 of these pages, and I got these at the Target dollar spot years ago. And I'm thinking, because this has, you know, my traditional colors, red, gold, and green, that I might actually pull in this red strip or these banner strips down here. There is an area on the sketch that has a few little banner strips, and I think I'd have to put these because even on this backing paper, I can still see through. I don't know, can you guys see that through there? I can. I'm still thinking I'm going to have to back these on a different piece of paper so that they won't be quite so sheer. I pulled in some words. I pulled in these stickers. I pulled in these candy canes with the bling in the center of them. I went ahead and pulled in these branch just to try and get some use out of them. They are more of a retro feel, but that's okay. I'm going to see if I can use any of them. If I can, I can. If I can't, I can't. So we'll see. I have these stickers pulled in, and I pulled in this set from, is it Pink Paisley? I think Pink Paisley, and then I have these wood veneer stickers from Close to My Heart. These, I think, are Hobby Lobby. These are Felicity Jane. These are Echo Park. Golly, those are old. Those are from 2010. And there were some border strips down at the bottom. I've had multiple sheets of that. I'm sure I'll get some use out of it. I also have this sticker sheet that I pulled in for this tile letter down here at the bottom. And then I pulled in this one, and I went ahead and I tried out my letters. I put a little pencil hash mark under each of these to see if I could create my title finally. And I can. I have enough to create the main title, and then my subtitle will be with this tile letter down here. Yeah, so here's where I'm starting. I have my photo, I have my photos, my sketch, my papers, my stickers, and it's some of the embellishments. I may pull something else in. I don't know just yet, but we'll see as I go along what happens. Anyway, I will be right back. Okay, friends, I am done with layout number 6. Let me show you the things I didn't use. I had pulled these scraps in to use in my layout and didn't end up using them. I had pulled these stickers in. I had this one on my layout for a long time, and then I ended up pulling it up. So, oh, I take that back. I did use that. And I did not use anything off of this page. Other than that, I used everything else. So, paper scraps, what I have left over are these. So I used everything. That was the border strip from the background paper that I chose. Sticker wise, I used 3 of those. I used 3 of the stars from here and 3 stars from here, and a label for, or not a label, a phrase from here. I used 4 of the critters off this sheet. I used a banner that was down here on this sheet. I used a couple more words from here. I used 3 of the larger blings. I used this for my title. I used 1, 2, maybe just 2 off here. I used this font down here to create my subtitle, if you will. And here, oh, let me show you. I used both the sequins and I did use the washi tape. Now the sequins I glued down, and that's when my paper is stuck to the page. But here is the layout that I created with what I brought in. I used all 4 photos, and you can see there's my little vignette, if you will, across the top here. And so I used one of the critters on foam adhesive here and here, and then I used that phrase on foam adhesive. I used all the little washi strips. Did I show those? I don't know where they went, but I did use them, and I put them on washi strip, or sorry, scrap paper, and then I fussy cut them out and then used them for my banners across the top here. There is my wood veneer star with the red star over top, and the sequins there, the candy canes, the bling, the year there. I found that in my basket of ephemera here. That, I don't know, is probably like 10 years old or something. I've had it, I just haven't wanted to get rid of it. And you can see all the scraps of paper that I used across there, and that was a larger scrap there that I pulled in to use there. It wasn't originally in the scraps that I had pulled in. Here is my subtitle, Come Play With Me, and it's the Inchworm Rodeo is my title. And I have Joy from the sticker sheet, more bling, more wood veneer, another critter, candy canes and bling, and down here that mix and mingle, there's the foam banner there, and more stars here, another bling, another critter, and more candy canes. So I love how this one turned out. I almost had wished I had made this a solid sheet, or either the background a solid sheet, and let the patterns do their thing on their own without having the background. And I almost wish I had made the title here a solid color. I did, and I don't know, maybe you'll see it when I get up close, I did go around it to some degree, put some shading on it with a black Sharpie to give it a little more distinction on the page. Anyway, it's layout number 6, and it is done, ready for the album. I can call another page done. So if you want to see close-ups of the sketch, I will have those at the end of the video. So if you want to see them, you can always pause and get a closer look of whatever cluster that I show up close. I will be posting layout number 7 tomorrow, so if you're interested, please head back over and watch that video. And I would love it if you guys would flip me a thumbs up, especially if you're enjoying this series that I'm doing. I'm calling it Christmas Catch-Up Layout of the Day for December 2022. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.